Joe from Ritchie Autos in Daytona Beach. This is the 2019 Dodge Durango that you inquired on. The vehicle is available, has about 71,000 miles on it. It's a GT edition, keyless entry, push button start. I have heated steering wheel, heated seats, the touch screen here. Take a look in the back. Third row seating, bench in the second. Vehicle's in good condition. It does have a couple scratches here and there, nothing major. See a little bit of damage to the bumper here. Why don't you give us a call? We can set up a time for you to come on down and take a look.